You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly these phrase from Latin and anatomy, medical term. If you want to learn more from medicine, stay tuned. It means tender matter in Latin. That's from Latin. So there are two different ways of pronouncing it in English. The Latin pronunciation would be Pia Mater. Now, in British English, it's pronounced as Pia Mater. Yes, I know, Pia Mater. But in American English, it's either Pia Mater or Pia Mater, or Pia Mater. Pia Mater as well. So Pia Mater, Pia Mater, or Pia Mater. Yes, there are different ways of pronouncing it, all correct, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.